Okay, this is how to place trades on Binance, and the same thing goes to other exchanges like Bybit, KuCoin, Wex, and so on, even Bitgate. So first of all, this is the fix, the home, which contains the face of all this, right? So since you requested for only how to place buy and sell trades, and I believe I have actually analyzed some certain things for you guys here, but let me just go straight to the point. So what the first thing to do is just go to this market here, down here. When you click it, you will see these are coins. There are about million coins available here, and more other coins are coming up every day. So there are a lot of coins here. So what you need to do is check out the one you are trying to buy and the money you are trying to use and buy it. If you are buying with USDC, USDT, U, USDI, USD, BNB, and BTC, and so on, and other heads. So what it's trying to tell you is this: if you are buying with USDC, it's just that USD coin, USDC. This one is Ethereum. So all these are stable coins. This 1, 2, 3, 4 are stable coins. Means it doesn't change. There is no fluctuation going on in those pairs. So if you have $1,000 in those pairs, it will keep it will remain that $1,000 until you either withdraw from it or add more money to it. But altcoin like Bitcoin and others, you will it can go up or go down at any time depending on the market condition. So let's move to the topic of the day, which is how to buy and sell. So let's start with this. Okay, Solana or anyone. So anything I'm showing you here goes to all other platform and other coins. So let's click Solana. So when you click Solana, this is what you will see here, and you will see buy and sell. So if I want to buy here, remember this is spot trading, not futures. So maybe I will, after this I will go to futures trading, or maybe it will be another day. So this is spot trading, how to place trades on spot trading. So if you want to buy Solana, if I want to buy Solana now, and I'm like, okay, I'm comfortable with this price here, which is 84.18. So I will click this buy here. So when I click this buy, this is what I will see, which is spot. This one is convert. We need to convert either if I have USDC or USDT or any other one. All these ones here is actually a stable coin. So if I have BTC and I want to convert it to USDC, I can easily do that. So that is it. But I don't want to convert anything here because this is one of my sub wallet, my second wallet. So I don't want to do anything that will affect my coins. So let's go back to the spot. So when you click this spot here, you will see this buy sell, and here you are trying to add more money to your wallet. The only thing you will need to do is, I don't have enough USDT here. The only USDT I have was 0.39 is the only USDT I have. 0.399 something, so it's not enough. I don't have enough USDT. But if I have enough USDT and I want to buy more Solana, so what I will do is click, what market order is, and limit order, and so on. Also all these things have been treated, so I don't need to keep repeating myself in that point. So if I choose market order, I'm willing to buy immediately. If I choose pending order, it means I'm willing to buy in a specific price. So since I'm willing to buy immediately, which is market price, all I need to do is, okay, how much USDT am I willing to spend in buying this Solana at this time? So if I'm willing to spend like 500 USDT or 1000 USDT or even 10,000 USDT, anyone I'm willing to spend, I will just put it there. After putting it there, I will click buy Solana and I will execute my trade immediately. All right, so since I don't have enough this, let me click this one, and okay, you can buy, let's say, let me put 5. You see, so if what is telling me now is to add more Solana to my wallet that I don't have, to add more USDT to my wallet. I don't have enough USDT, which I can easily transfer from here, from my other wallets to my USDT account, or I can buy using P2P platform, or I can tell someone to send me USDT to carry out such process. So that is actually how it works. So just simple as that. Click buy when you are ready. If it happens that I have up to 5 USDT here, I will just click it and it will execute normal as it always do in your MT5. So if you want to sell, let's say I bought 5 USDT, I use 5 USDT to buy Solana, and it happens that I have some profit or I want to withdraw my money after some time. All I need to do is to click the sell button here. So when I click the sell button, I will see market price and limit price as well. So if I want to sell my $5 Solana, I'll still click 5 and click sell Solana. It will execute to my USDT account. So that money will leave from my Solana wallet to my USDT wallet. So that is how to place trade on exchanges like this. So there are more other things here, and I believe I've actually explained some of these things the other time, but I don't know if after watching this, if you have any question, then you bring it up, then I will know what I've actually explained the other time and what I haven't, because all of these things, there is meaning behind them, and it's not what I can explain here, because this is actually a screen record and I don't know how long it will take before stopping. So that is how to place a buy and sell using this. So as I said, the same thing goes to all other pairs. If you click it, you will still see this one is telling you the chart part. So if I analyze here now, and I believe, you see, you can make it a wider screen. If after doing this, and I believe I'm seeing a buying opportunity here, I will go back here, click a buy and buy. And the only difference between this point and the normal forex trading, is that here you can buy and sell at the same time. All right, so here you can only buy and sell when you are done, but in the forex market you can buy and make money, sell and make money. So whenever you are selling here, you are closing your trade. So that is the difference. Coming to this one, futures. Okay, so futures, here I was once teaching someone how to trade option, so that's why you are seeing this here. So let me go back to the main futures. So here is, this one is option, this one is coin M. So when we talk about coin M, it means I'm willing to trade these futures using coins like Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin, and so on, even all these new coins. So if you click it now, you will see most of them, Litecoin USD, and so on. So this is telling you that you are using unstable coin to trade futures. Whereas USDCM means you are using a stable coin to trade Solana, which is mainly USDT. Okay, so that is it. That's why you're seeing USDT here. So other ones you can see USDT. So you can see BTC, PNB, BTC, Solana, and so on, because it's a coin M. Okay, so that is it. Now here is the one you should focus on, because this one you need more knowledge to attend to the coin M. So this particular BTC USD and PNB USD is the ones you are already familiar with, and you can actually understand it better. All right, so what you need to do here and how this one works is this. Let's use this BNB. I don't want to use BTC though. Okay, let me use BTC because I have trades running on BTC, the one that tapped in a few days ago at this level. So I have a trade running from here. Sorry. So this level about 40 something. So I cannot get it accurate, but there is a trade running here and the signal is my channel. So here now in these futures, one thing you need to know is whenever you see buy and sell, know that they are referring to spot trading. And whenever you hear buy long, sell short, know that they are referring to futures trading. And this thing I'm trying to say here, you really need to pay attention to it, because this thing have actually led many people to losing their whole account trading futures in the place of spot trading. They thought they are all in their mind is they are trading spot trading without knowing they are already in a futures trading platform. So that is it. Now, whenever you see long and short here, anytime you see long and short, know that you can buy long and make money, sell short and still make money, just as we do in our MT5. So here, how this one works is this. In the other first one I showed you, I will still go back there and show you how to put your take profit and your SL. But here now is where you need that take profit and SL the most. So when you are using that spot trading, you are actually trading as an investor. So the money you put in your spot trading should be the money you are willing to hold for a year, 2 years, 3 years without withdrawing. Because I can remember the first Bitcoin I bought. I started buying Bitcoin when it was $19,000 to $23,000. So maybe I will attach the image to this place and you will see it. So that is it. When since then I only add money, I don't withdraw, because I was actually buying it in the place of position trading. I wasn't buying it to withdraw immediately, even though my first buy then wasn't as much. It was just adding little money together. So that's it. So here now, if I'm to buy, that is, if I'm to long this BTC now, as BTC is going up, what I will do is click this long. So when I click long, you will see the platform here, quite different from the one we saw in the market. So here you will see something called isolated. So this isolated margin and cross margin. So isolated margin means if I'm trading here and I'm putting $100 to trade, so and my particular trade I opened a position using $20, it means I'm risking only $20 in that trade. But in a cross margin, if my capital is $100 and I'm putting $20 to trade, I'm not only risking that $20, I'm risking the whole $100 in the account. So just as the name implies, cross means it have access to your main capital. And there are some advantages and disadvantages of both of them, both isolated and cross margin, but I will advise you guys to keep using this isolated margin, because cross margin are for those who have mastered their craft very clearly and well. So sometimes when I'm using cross margin, it means my setup is very clear and I want to hold that trade for very long time. Okay, so that's it. This one is what we call leverage. So this leverage doesn't come the same way the one in our brokerage firm are, that we have one is to this, one is to that. This one is just like this. If I want to increase my leverage, I will just do it like this. So the maximum leverage here is 1 is to 150x. So the more you are leveraged, the faster you are loss and you are win. Right. So if I'm using 150 leverage here now and I open a position, I can easily get a higher percentage gain. And at the same time, if the market goes against me, I will lose more money within a short period of time, just as it works in the winning side. So that is how it works. So now here is 20%, 20x leverage. Here is mean single assets mode. So meaning if I open one position here, one position will be running. All right, and that is it. There are many other things here where you can open both a buy and sell trade, or many other mode of trading here. So I want you to watch this one. If this have given you the idea you want, you let me know. If you still need more information, then we really need to have a separate class for it, because I can't put everything here, since I'm just giving you a screen record where I'm just talking and you are not, I don't think you are seeing everything I'm mentioning very clear. So here now, this is market at this point. You can see this is the market order, where you can still change it to limit order, post only, market, conditional, trial, and this. So all these ones, their meaning are still attached, and the only time to use them is if you master the limit and market order first. So using all these ones is not that necessary. Even I can't remember the last time I used all these except market and limit order. So that's it. Now here, this is if I have enough capital here. The truth is, this is not the platform I use for my futures. I use Wex and Bitgate. All right, so that's it. But this platform is also very good, only that I have some money here and I don't want to expose my full account like that, because I might end up increasing the depositing my capital here and so on. So I'm actually keeping it safe. So that's it. So, and more my money is, I think, is in BTC, and anything can happen. I can easily convert it to USDT, which is what I'm running away from. So you can see it here. I'm having a total of 0.49 USDT here, because I transferred from here to the platform I'm using already. I think I did that a year plus now. So that is it. So here now, what you need to do is, if I'm to buy here, if I'm willing to buy with $1,000 to open a long position using $1,000, now it means $1,000 times 20x. So I'll be getting, let's say 20,000 or 200,000. Let me check it out to be sure of it. It's just 20,000, guys. So it means I'm opening a position using 20,000 account, and I will be expecting to open the position by putting my take profit. Let's say I'm using a market price at 77,975. So my take profit, let's say, is 80,000, and My stop loss is 76,000. So you can see everything here, meaning you can see. So it's telling me that this is it now. So if I want to execute this trade, I still have chance of buying now or selling. So I am not specific in what I want to do until I click either a buy long or sell short. So if I buy slash long, it means I'm anticipating a buying opportunity in the market, and likewise sell. So that is how to do it. Now, the only thing I did here now is to check the price, to add the price I'm willing to risk in this particular trade, which is $1,000. So if I'm to use limit order, it is just to add. Okay, now I need to add the price here. Let's say the current price is 78,089. That is 94, whatever. It keeps fluctuating. So all I need to do is, let's say I want BTC to go back to 75,000 before I buy. So I can put this 75,000 here. This is my, okay, since I'm using 75,000, I have to already, okay, let me use 77 so that I can maintain this stop loss level. Yeah, 77,000, and I want to buy. I will just click a buy like this. So it's okay, it's telling me to, okay, yes, you can see I'm using this $0.49 to open the position. So order note is less than 77 USDT. So okay, so I'm not having enough capital here to be able to open the position. So that is what it's telling me. But if it happens that the position here is enough, immediately I click this position, I will see my open position here and it will start trading. So just watch this video if you get it clear, or if you understand, because you only requested for how to buy and sell. So if that is clear already, then you let me. If it's not, then we really need to have a separate class where I can use my Zoom meeting to explain everything to you, both the other side that cannot be shown here, right? So yeah, before I close this, let me also show you the way to put your take profit and SL in this market order port. All right, so now this is market. We have $100,000. All right, so this is it here. Okay, this sleep range means you can decide to buy and market will push higher or lower off of your initial price. Okay, here you have to open the position before you put your, okay, so in the market order you have to open the position first before you put your take profit and SL. But in limit order you are allowed to put your take profit and SL even before anything else. So here you click this button here, you will see the take profit limit, SL limit. So that's it. So all are available. So if you want to use your SL and this, you have to put it together before placing that buy or sell. But if you want to use market order, the only thing you need to do is to open the position first before adding your stop loss and take profit levels. So that is all for now until I hear your response.